Hi, welcome to my channel, Dolan Chick. My name's Alia, I'm Uyghur. Today I'm going to make vegetarian Uyghur style nasi. It's my own recipe and I call this Veggy Uyghur Nasi. And it's all inspired by our Uyghur cuisine. It's for vegetarian, but if you are not vegetarian, it's also okay. You can add chicken or lamb into the recipe. Okay, let's begin. For a Veggy Uyghur Nasi, this is all we need. White rice, of course, dry tomato, salt, vinegar, sugar, hot red chili pepper, ginger, garlic, tomato, green bell pepper, onion, Asian yardlong bean, scallion, parsley, coriander, white sesame, white pepper, black pepper, cumin, and olive oil. After I cook the rice, I begin with the vegetables. Let's chop up all the ingredients. Put the olive oil into the pan. When it's hot enough, you will see light smoke. Put in the onion. When the onion becomes softer, add the dry tomatoes, sugar, white sesame, ginger, fresh tomatoes, cumin, salt, white pepper, and black pepper. Mix them. After that, add the garlic, Asian yardlong beans, and hot red chili pepper into the pan. Mix them. Add 1 tiny teaspoon of vinegar. Add the green bell pepper and scallion. Add the water. When the water boils, turn the fire down. It's time to give some color to the white rice. When you begin with the mixing, make sure not to press the rice, so the rice doesn't stick to each other and becomes flat. Add the parsley and coriander. Mix all the ingredients very gently. It looks fresh, colorful, and tasty. Put the leftover parsley and coriander on top of the rice. Now it's finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. Veggy Uyghur Nasi is finished. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you next time. Bye!